Hi, I'm Rodney Sharp, President of SharpGrade International. Today I'd like to introduce you to our latest model, the SharpGrade PB52. This is a power rake with a blade. Now, everyone knows that a power rake is really good for hard surfaces but cannot carry material. A blade is not so good for hard surfaces but is great for carrying material. So what we've done is combine two of them in a nice compact unit, and so you get the best of both worlds. So you get a power rake which can run with machine control, and you get a blade which also runs with machine control. So you can rake on grade and you can grade with the blade on grade, and you can carry material and you can grade forward and reverse. So it's great for landscaping and that sort of work. So it's got the standard features that all SharpGrades have. It's got our patented quad rod linkage, which is sealed for life, shielded and lifetime lubricated. It's got our twin outboard mirrors so you can view the blade when you're working from the front. It's got our normal wheel on the front with sealed Harley Lube bushes so they never need greasing. And it's got a valve stem protector, so when you're working around large aggregates or wire, it doesn't get damaged. So it's a nice compact system. The PB52 is designed for working around houses and subdivisions. So 52 inch, it can fit down beside a 6 foot or 1.5 metre offset. So you can fit between a house and a wall or a retaining wall without a problem. And the blade comes right to the outside, so you can carry material right up to a wall. The blade is adjustable, so you can pull it completely back and have just the power rake exposed, or you can fold it fully down. It's underneath the height of the power rake so that you can grade without the power rake touching the ground, so you get a perfect smooth finish. It has a rear blade, so you can grade forward and reverse, and the rear blade is pivoting so it doesn't pack with material. The stone barrier on the power rake can be set open or closed. Nice and simple. It's a two-position system, very easy to set. You have a pin on the side which you remove. You simply rotate it to the open position, insert the pin and lock it, and you're good to go. When you want to close the barrier, remove the pin, set it to the closed position and lock it. Nice and simple. The rake and blade is all powered by our QuadGrade Pro system, which is a phone-based app, and it's completely touch screen. So IP67, drop proof from a metre, so nice and robust, ideal for mini skids where it can sit out in the rain and dirt. The power rake is reversible and it's done directly off the screen just with a touch of a button. Now the reason we've done it that way is that most mini skids do not have their auxiliary locking in both directions. It'll lock in one direction and not the other. So if you want to, in a traditional rake, if you want to power backwards, you've got to hold the auxiliary, which is not particularly safe. So we do it off the screen, and that means you can run it in one direction and never have to alter the flow. The blade is infinitely adjustable off the screen. So it sets at a different height to the rake. So you can have it below the rake, half an inch below the rake, say 12 mils below the rake, or you can have it at the same height, or you can retract it right up so you've got 200 mils of clearance, 8 inches underneath it. So you've got a complete unrestricted entry for material into the rake. The power rake can be raised and lower either side from the screen, or it can be looped together so that one side will raise and lower both sides. You can also swipe across and change it, so you can see the laser or the sonic, and you can raise and lower each side, and you can adjust your grade height, your increment decrement, which you can do in millimeters or inches or feet. And you can also swipe across again, and when you're running a sonic, these change to your offset, and this changes to your inclination. So if you've got a sonic and a slope sensor, so you can adjust your increment, decrement and your crossfall on the screen, and then operate your functions off the screen just with a swipe of a finger. So nice little feature to have. So you can run your increment, decrement and see the screen, see what the receivers are doing. But if you want to look at the receivers and run a different screen, so you can manually operate the blade and the drum forward and reverse and the blade up and down, or you can swipe over and you can run increment, decrement and crossfall. So three types of screens you can run all off the one unit. The PB52 has all the standard features of a normal SharpGrade. So it's got graduated laser poles, which you can have in metric or imperial. So nice, quick and accurate setup. So you set one side on your datum, note the dimension, set the other side, and you start grading nice and quick. These have adjustable grade heights. So this has plus or minus 5 inches, 120 mil increment decrement, straight from the screen. It has an adjustable hitch plate, so you can adjust the SharpGrade to get it perfectly level on virtually any machine. We have a range of hitch plates to suit most of the common brands of mini skids and skid steers. So this one's set up for a mini skid, but we will be making them larger models to suit skid steers as well. It can have QuadGrade Pro, and it can also have QuadGrade Power Pro, which is an onboard power pack, so there's no wiring at all to your base machine. So that's an option you can get, just like our standard SharpGrades. So I hope you find this video informative. If you need any more information on the PB52, please visit our website, www.sharpgrade.com. There you'll find information on all of our products and our list of our dealers throughout the world and ways of getting in contact with us. So thank you for your time.